Ever wondered what you're truly meant to do? This workshop and simple self assessment will help you gain clarity and direction. Hello, everyone. I want to tell you about an exciting opportunity I have just for you. It's the Purpose Workshop. During that Purpose Workshop, we are going to be going through a Purpose Self-Assessment, which I have on my website, an absolutely free resource that is designed to help you to discover your God-given purpose. As we go through that, you will gain more clarity during this workshop and be able to see and decide what are your next steps to start moving towards walking out your purpose, which you probably already are walking out, because I believe this is something that God has given each one of us, and it's on the inside of us, and we start walking it out even as a child. But sometimes we're just not quite aware of what it is. So I would love for you to download that resource from lisadjohnson.com. Go ahead and work through that. And then when we're in the workshop, we will go through it together. Don't miss this opportunity to work with me as your executive and life coach so that you can begin to walk out the purpose that God has for you. Click on the link below or go to my website, lisadjohnson.com, and download this free resource. This workshop is absolutely free and you don't want to miss it. And be on the lookout for an email stating the day and time of the workshop that I'm going to be offering. I'll see you there. Your purpose is waiting. Take the first step today. Sign up for this workshop and take the self-assessment.